Welcome to a Qigong routine for energy. Begin in Wuji posture, becoming aware of the world around and within you. Spinal cord breathing. Deep breath in, arch your spine. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tail. Inhale, lift your heart up to the sky, let your head drop back. Exhale, round your spine, chin to chest. Deep breath in. Full breath out, draw the elbows together. Now we'll open up to the side, deep breath in. Exhale, return to center. Switching sides, deep breath in. Exhale, round. Last one, deep breath in, back to center. Exhale, drop the arms down. Whole body shaking, arms, shoulders, neck, head relaxed. Shake it out. Deep breath in, come up high on the balls of the feet, reach the arms up. Exhale, drop down on the heels with a ha sound. A deep breath in, exhale, let it go. Emptying the lungs, inviting in new space for new energy, new beginnings. Widen your stance, coming into horse. Letting the arms and shoulders rotate, turning from your center. One arm slaps across the low back, the other across the low abdomen. Now we'll slap under the collarbone, the other arm still slapping gently along the low back, activating key acupoints. Now we'll begin to gently slap over the shoulder on the upper trap, still shifting weight. We'll bring it back down to the chest. Back down to the belly, slowing the rotations down. Staying in this horse stance, come back into Wuji. Notice the energy around and within you. Maybe it's changed. Keeping the legs wide, deep breath in, reach the arms up, palms reach forward and down. Just take a moment here, let your head hang. We're going to be moving through a flow. Deep breath in. Slowly roll your spine up. Reach the arms, the palms up to the sky. Exhale, tall spine fold. Inhale, bringing the arms up the middle channel. Reaching the palms up to the sky. Exhale, slowly melt forward and down. Last one, leading with your heart, melting down. Inhale, bringing it back up. We'll step the legs back in, coming into Wuji posture once again. Finding your tranquility, your inner peace. We'll widen the legs out a bit, not quite the width of horse stance. We'll turn from our center, reach the palm forward, exhale, bring it to the lower abdomen. As you reach, you rotate from the center. One arm reaches, the other arm comes to your belly. Flowing with breath, we're bringing energy into our lower dantian, our lower energy center. Scooping the energy around us, the chi, guiding it to our energy center. Now we'll reach a little further up, bring it to your heart. Reach, pulling the energy around you to your heart center. Again, turning from your center, from your waist, reaching, pulling, guiding. Now we'll bring it up and bring it to our head, washing away negative thought patterns, bringing a sense of clarity to our mind, a sense of stillness, of space, bringing all the chi around us, guiding it to our minds, washing away and bringing in. Bring it back down to your heart. And then back down to your belly. Coming back into Wuji posture. Now turn to one side, deep breath in, reach the arms up the center channel, up over the head. Exhale, reach the arms out and back down. We'll turn to the other side, bring the chi up the center channel, up over your head. Exhale out to the sides. Here we're assimilating that energy, that chi, making it part of us, bringing it up our center channel, up to our minds for clarity, for creativity. Clearing the blockages along the way, using the breath, guiding the chi. Coming back to Wuji posture one final time. Stay here as long as you'd like, in your tranquility, passively absorbing the chi around you. Thanks for joining me. Yeah.